Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made upon the beatings can't see upon the screen. We have a whole lot to discuss in this one, my people, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Jamaican TikToker Markie Markland because you know the thing set. Man, they there on one part, some island them called Rikers, and then transferred to 14 County. I'm nowhere here. You see me I say, and I go church and all of these things and things because boy, it's not looking good. You know, them is charging him for basically a traffic one white girl daughter. You see me I say, and a bag of other people, but he went to court today and it was cancelled. This man said, you know, he's out on $25,000 bond and things. He has 2 restraining orders against him. Have to stay away from the victims that's cooperating with the police. This is my people. Put in the comment section what you think about that. No, when we get an update when the next court case is, what date is, we will let you know, you see me. Okay, people, the next trending video, I say out of Jamaica has to deal with dancehall artist Silk Boss. As you know, Bree did an interview where they are basically letting the world know she has no issues with homeboy being with his family, X, Y, and Z. You see what I'm saying? You know, he wasn't too feeling that, so I'm far without no, I said the girl a liar. And she had a reason why him disowning pitney them people putting out the comment section if you think Silk Boss is putting with because him say watching her lie to the world knowing that you are the reason with this with my son. You have a hatred for my son and you said you take away my daughter and my son if me went and go and check him. You see me I say the reason you did the interview is you can't stand to see me with him. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know, bad girl, D. Brie, and not take that lightly, you know, and them they dropped that Sunday, but she never want to dark up the place, because you know, the Lord's Day. But today is their daughter's birthday, and she now ramp run. You see, man, she said 5 o'clock, she is going to drop the truth on our YouTube channel. Say our YouTube channel right there so people want to subscribe to the channel. I say Kingmixup bring you fair, you feel me? Because it's going to be on and popping, you know. You see what I said, but nevertheless, let's proceed to the next. Oh, people, before I proceed, make sure I check out my next channel them on YouTube. Boom, bye news and the Credit Boss channel. Cause you know RT Boss and Ivany back at it again. I talk about bag of things about Rebel, TC Spice, and all type of people and see on the screen. Akeem back to life, Snow Diddy, all type of things, you know. This is I say right now. Rosealee, I said them bad mind and jealous because when she check her stock, all the pretty girl them the pan stop. Watch she pan the big yacht with our boy Akeem. Put pan the comment section what you think about that because boy the fans them might give it to her wicked, you know. God them say Akeem never give it to her wicked on Valentine's Day. Nobody in the land in our lap or rascal. Just my people. But nevertheless, it was definitely a good show that put the Titanic to shame. You know what I mean? So let's hear what I go on for not to go on and proceed to the next.
No, for true, I'm tired of them. Come here, baby. I'm tired of them. I'm tired of them for true. I'm tired of them. I'm tired of them. My business, me tired of them. Me say enough of them over here, I'm still in business. I can't tell you the sad girl them. We don't have no man now and we can't keep a man for 2 seconds. I see them. I know them. Remember, I know. And that's the difference with me and them. You see me argue with girl, a facts me work with. Me no make up story. Me can't look upon you and tell you say you're not happy. Me can't look upon you and tell you say you live unhappy. Me can't look upon you and tell you deeds, Andrew. Me can't tell you it. As a Gemini. Me can't tell you say something is wrong with you. You never know, so me can't look upon you and tell you it, yeah. When I so argue with girl, I pure facts me tell girl. Me no work with dictionary, me no work with Bible verse, I'm not go down in your past life. Me can't look by you until I say something is wrong with you. You're not having a girl pretend. I don't found over your delusional. Oh, I'm just bought that chain here and makeup and smiles. Sad. All some of them come over here with a makeup and smile. Sad. Nothing about them. Only be real when me start my ball. And if the whole world watch me, the whole world watch. I want to criticize. Yeah. Me not run for my feelings and my emotion them. And someone run for the till I run on the down. Filter out when you come here. Make up pretty. Oh, and the ones them over here, them over here, that is unhappy at them lie and rest themselves in a people business. The Valentine's Day. Me that thinks that some of the shape good girl them over here really have a man. Me that thinks some of the girl them over here will shape well, have a man. Me scroll out the whole of the FYP. Not what me do, you know, but not what me do, you know. Me I walk and look for the girl I love in my business. I don't see them. Yeah, cause me not rewatch my events them. Because me did it. Me I walk and search some of the girl them who are like in a business. I don't want them to shape when I have them titties pinted, so come on when them big, you know. That when them big, but you know really big. I don't look at blackjacks. When I have a look at blackjacks, I say less back. I say, no, the nice man with the good injection at work, I call her Miss Bridget. I call her and say, I want her. The girl, them say, me have the one go back like one time. When I have a look at just for them go Google to all my importance. That is the importance of Rosealee. A Fashion Nova. You never Google it? You're sick. Touch us so sick. Touch ear sick. You never Google it? Me say, I no never go Google it. Me can't wear nothing. Track if the dress did cost $5,000 a year, one different understatement to own it in my business. The people that got glitter the Google the blood clad dress. When me have on. But taking the roux and tie them on the limb. Me say my avatar. Me not go put on a dress there and me go feet. I'm not be far, you know. I'm not wash it yet. See it here. I go a mines. You don't have to Google it, never right? You don't have to Google it, never right? A mines. See it here. I don't buy one in a white. I wear it again because it just need for me. See it here. You don't have to Google it, a mines. When I walk a good one, where's my one? I have to say, you know, there's something. When we wear a skirt, we don't have a problem. I say the problem is so ironic. When we wear a skirt, they have a problem. Now I find myself in a too local dress. We're taking the row and the tire and grab your saw and push out down a little bit. I mean, when I go to me, I say, what? I have a look on your saw. That's a problem. I search through the FYP, I say, the pretty rank of them, no man. Pure liquor and tears. I can't stay on because some of them walk a gun butt. And some of them walk a gun butt, man. And I grab them up with some scent. See them? The one who have the curve in a way. Oh man, wow, me not soon, no. Me not soon, no ass. My side, I look it. Happy to my. So I say to hey, them cock a fart. So much of them more over here lonely and I have no man. That's why them business. So let me see them, I know. I realize it. By the time them realize it. That's why when some of them talk, I stop answer them. Because it's pointless. They're sad. Sad people say sad stuff. Sad people say sad stuff and do sad things. You are sad. Miss one girl right now in the comment section. After Valentine's Day and what I'm after, miss. Come by to my wall. Me never know say. Me never know say me did me TikTok something to come tell people after Valentine's Day what I'm answer. Me eating balls with ketchup and pepper. You're so invested and interested. In my comment section, too, you know, what is wrong with these people? And I want to know after Valentine's what me eat, me go lick out in batty. Yeah. Come on, what is wrong with you people? Uno is sick. Uno is sick. In the comment section, you know, I'm posting now. After what I'm then girl out. Me not the point star work. Me never know so when me chat. Me never know say. I said me come on social media. I realize say when me and one man go bed is a big deal. Me never know from me born till now. Me never know so when young people go bed is a big deal.
Yes, put in the comment section, what did you do for Valentine's Day? You see me, I say, boy, man, Rosealee, I just don't know why Akeem don't want to give you the body, you know. You see me, I say, but nevertheless, people, make sure you go up on the next channel, them check out more bagger for a while, go on for not to go on, because we're not going to long it out run you so no more, you see me, I say. So I enjoy the rest of the day, you see me.